Here's how to install and use dual Snapchat accounts on Android. Now, if you have your Android phone and you wanted 2 different Snapchat apps and to clone them so that you can have 2 different accounts, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is, of course, get into our settings from here. So swipe up and tap on the gear or settings icon. Once you're in your settings, all you need to do is scroll down, and what we're looking for is the option for advanced features. Tap on that. Once we're in advanced features, you can scroll down and you'll see at the very bottom is dual messenger. This allows you to clone one app into 2 different versions of it. So tap on it and you can see Snapchat is on this list. So turn it on and just hit install, and it says install a second copy of Snapchat. Now, after we've done that, you can see here is one Snapchat, but I can swipe up and I can go over and there are 2 different Snapchat accounts. You can see the cloned one is the one with the little bubbles underneath it. I can tap on that one and I'm not logged into that. I can log into one account on that. Whereas the other one, I can tap on it and I'm currently logged into my other account. So I can have 2 different accounts, 2 different apps on one Android phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.